Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Talk with Monty. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a VM on ESXi on OVH Cloud with the Failover IP. So we can start from this is the virtual Mac. So creating a VM on ESXi is easy, but with the OVH there is multiple settings like virtual Failover IP. So for that Ubuntu can't support direct static IP, so we need to do some kind of scripting related work. So let's create a new VM first. It's the name Ubuntu VM Linux. Let's choose the storage. And let's say assign 8 CPU, 8 gigs of RAM, and here's 50 gigs of SSD. Make sure it should be thin provisioning and shouldn't be thin provisioned. Thin provisioning means it will not consume complete 50 gigs of storage while creating the VM. It will increase slightly once you done the creation of VM. So choose the ISO. Here is 1 to 20 and make sure the network adapter is this, and here we need to create a manual MAC address and just copy from here like this, and let's start. Finish power on the VM. Booting now. Okay, start booting. Let's English. Continue our update. Done. And currently it's getting IP from DHCP because I have the local network. So let's make it simple like manual. And here what IP I am using is 51.79.228.53. No, 51.79.181. 79.191.181/32 because we are using subnet, so we need to use /32 mask and use 51.79.191.181. Gateway will be the same IP which is running on the ESXi as a gateway. Taking time. Yeah, this is the gateway. So 51.79.228.254, and we can choose any name server like 208.67.22.22. and hit save. It will not work because there is no IP address is not in same network, so we will modify it after VM creation is done. Just choose any name like your name, Tech Talk with Monty, test server. Choose any name, Monty. Password is we can choose any 12345. 12345. Just select install OpenSSH server here and done. Now wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It will install soon. I am just stopping the video. I will resume once the installation is complete. Okay, so VM installation is complete. So let's reboot now. Let's log in. Username is Monty, password is 123456. No, I think 12345, sorry. So I'm all logged into the server. Sudo -e 12345. Let's clear the screen. Now if you try to ping google.com, it will not work. Sorry. Because it doesn't have the proper gateway assignment and the up routes. So we need to go to the network interface. Sorry, it's Ubuntu 20, so there is a net plan setting. And we need to modify this script. Currently showing this, so we need to in only OVH case we need to do this custom, because the gateway is different as compared to the IP address. So let me open my script first. So we need to apply exact same setting here. First, just after address, we can make sure this is the VMware script. So you need to make sure that the spacing and addressing will be in the proper way. So let's type here. So if I go name servers, so just type routes, and the dash should be here, and just type 5179.228.254 via 0.0.0. Sorry. Scope link. So this configuration has been done. So just white exit and try net plan apply. Sorry for my typo. See, if you make any mistake, it will show the error. So we need to remove this. Now try again. It's working fine. Setting applying, yeah, correct. Now try to ping google.com. Start working. Try to exit it via SSH. So our IP is this. Let's open the putty and type here. And what was the username is Monty and password is 12345. See, we are logged in. 12345. Now we have the root access of our server. Now we can set up anything on this server, and we can host any website, we can deploy any application on it. In the next video I will show you how we can deploy the Nginx and the Apache on this server with the SSL, and the most easiest way to set up Nginx and Apache.